Today, from this beautiful place, I want to give you a message. Nature needs us. Let's go creating clever ways to clean water and to clean our stuff and to clean ourselves and to build our stuff, because really, nature is trying its best to survive. Look at this stream. It's right in the middle of the mountains. Clean water. As cold as it gets. The sun is so super hot. It's 10 o'clock in the morning, but the water is cold. Delicious. It's coming from an underwater reservoir, and it's just amazing. Look at nature. It's such an amazing place, and what I want to say is that we can come up with better ideas on how to do stuff. Having more conscience on how I am using stuff and how much am I producing for the world to be cleaner or more sustainable. Let's start by growing our own things, vertical growing, hydroponics, things like that will help the land recover. Those things are really important. If we can do that, I think we're gonna go on a better path. And if we can stop all the trash food we're eating, we are also gonna stop producing so much. We need to go back to our roots somehow, but still wanting our technologies, still wanting to be on top of the game. That's fine. We don't have to go back to Stone Age. We just need to think of clever ways to use things that go with the environment. So I encourage you to go creating. It's important to go creating. The best thing I could tell you today is to just enjoy your life. And if you're able to go anywhere in your area to connect with nature and to think about ideas on how to use that area for energy-wise ideas or whatever to make your community better, then go ahead, go creating, go inventing, go be your own genius. It's important to do it.